Good morning, Timothy class. Okay, this morning we're going to learn about past continuous. Okay, we're going to learn about grammar past continuous. What is past continuous means? Later on we are going to read about this one, about the dialogue on the top of your material from part D. You can read by yourself. Okay, because some sentence over there they use past continuous. Okay, my teacher want to explain about this one first. The past continuous tells what was going on. What was going on during a time in the past. Okay, what was going on. Okay, so this thing still is happening. Okay, during a time in the past. What you have to use? You have to use was or were plus a verb ending in ing or ing. Okay, you have to use was for this singular, for the single subject, or were for plural subject. Okay, plus a verb ending in ing. Look at the sentence over here. What were they doing yesterday? What were they doing yesterday? They were sitting at a table. They were sitting at a table. They, because plural, okay, were. Okay, use were and plus verb ing, sitting at a table. Okay, that's the sample how to make past continuous sentence. Okay, remember past continuous is the way to tell what was going on during a time in the past. Jesse will tell you how to make a past continuous sentence in the positive, negative, and interrogative. Okay, over here, past continuous, okay, there are three ways to make past continuous in positive, negative, and questions or interrogative. If positive, like this, subject, S is for subject, I, we, you, they, okay, subject plus was or were, and then plus verb ing. Verb ing, okay, verb plus ing, like sitting, drinking, sleeping. Why? Because continuous means that the thing is happening, so we have to use verb ing. Okay, remember teacher tell you before, was for the singular and were for the plural subject. For example, I use she. Okay, I want to make a sentence. She was sitting in the grass. She was sitting in the grass. I want to make into negative. She was not sitting in the grass. She was not sitting in the grass. That's negative. How to make it into questions? Was she sitting in the grass? Was she sitting in the grass? Okay. So if you want to make into question, was and were, you have to put in the first of a sentence. Okay, now back to your student book over here. You have to practice a little bit. Circle the past continuous verb. Okay, remember the verb is have to use ing. Okay, verb ing. So number one, look at over here. What was Sarah doing yesterday? What was Sarah doing yesterday? She played or was playing in the park. Which one? She played or was playing. Remember, the rules before, use was or were and plus a verb ending in ing. Okay, so the answer is she was playing in the park. And then number two, what was Thomas doing before school this morning? What was Thomas doing before school this morning? He was riding or he rides the bus. Which one? He was riding or rides the bus. Of course, he was riding. Was and then verb ing. Okay, number 3, try to do by yourself. Okay, after you read the material, you can open your workbook, page 44 and 45. Okay, that's the task for today. Before you do the next part, you have to pay attention on part A first. This one, there are some examples before you do. I was sitting in the grass. I was sitting in the grass. The sun wasn't shining. The sun wasn't shining. Wasn't, it means was not. This negative. And then interrogative or questions. Was she walking? Okay, was and were put in front. Okay, depend on the subject. Okay, now you continue to part B over here. Number 1 already done for you. I tried to discuss number 2. Okay, look at here. Yesterday, talking about yesterday, past. Okay, but continuous. Look at here. The grasshopper, blah blah blah, in the grass. The grasshopper, blah blah blah, in the grass. So how to make it into continuous, past continuous? The grasshopper was not sleeping in the grass. The grasshopper was not sleeping in the grass. Okay, use was because the grasshopper only one. So please continue the other questions. Okay, you pay attention. If have a note, you have to put note. Okay, have a great day all guys. Don't forget to submit the task and check the due date in the classroom. Thank you.